Central Executive Committee of the United Democratic Party had taken place today, the 30th of June 2023. Speaking to reporters, the General Secretary of the party, Dr. Jamina Motho, informed that one of the main discussion during the meeting included the issue of reservation policy and the roster system, wherein the party had given the CEC more time to come up with suggestions to come up with the best solution for all categories of job applicants across the state of Meghalaya.
The Central Executive Committee hi kala ai board yang ya ka core committee trong ka party UDP banle ya ka badan kam ban su ya ka jing ai jing mut trong ki Central Executive members hak ni si dia namar ko mo creative makani ka issue kamle ka issue ka basut punya perlet mo i ha punya tai ha punya thirha i ha punya petha namar ofat ki angle namar ofat ki liang ai jing mut ka pa tape nak minta ke judgment review ke jongi nak minta ke judgment review jongi garo nak minta ke way reserve categories bro dari ke state ke jongi dia yang minta ni hak bai dai bat ke ni ki jing ai jing mun inra yang shua sya ke ni ke core committee jong ke UDP natrai kan simpor setang ar le ni laiski bat hadian ke ni pada ya ke ni ngin sa ai jing mun sya ke sarkar bat ke poru insa ai kan kecing aja itu ni sikit buat saya keluar macam mana dikata hi ketika wei kerai ke bagi lashim nak lihat ke ni agak beda buat ketika reservation policy buat roster system